Hello everyone, this is Maria. So today we will continue our tutorial. Tutorial 12 is the 3 way to change data in display directly. Okay, so I list the way to change the data. The first one is variable input. It means with the keyboard. The second one is incremental adjustment plus or minus. And the third one is drag adjustment. Okay. Also, I list the command format to change the data via the serial port. I had show this format before, so I will not emphasize it today. So for the variable data, still for the data variables display, I set VP address is 15, show color, font ID, font size, also others. So for the incremental adjustment, still same VP address, same VP address, integer, adjust method, and also others. So here, this is the limitation from 0 to 999, and the adjusting step length is 1. Okay, this is for the minors. Okay, and this one is for the slide display and the drag adjustment. They should be combined together. Drag adjustment, same VP address with the data variables. Data return mode is integer, dragging mode is horizontal, and the start value is 0, terminated value is 999. You can set it by your side. And the slide display, VP address, same. Initial value, terminal value. Slide mode is quite similar as drag adjustment, but here you need to use the icon file. I prepared the slide icon in advance, so I use this one. A little ugly, right? Transparent display mode for the icon file. Filter set for the icon file. Variable type, word. Okay, let's see it in the display directly. Okay, now try it in the display. First, via the incremental adjustment. So this is the effect for the incremental adjustment. Now we will try the drag adjustment. So you can see the data will be changed once I drag. Now we will check how to change the data with the keyboard. Data variables. I set VP address is 1800. Color ID same as before. Okay. The different is data input, touch control, variables input. I set data auto uploading. It means that when you confirm the data, it will be uploaded to the MCU directly. Okay. So same VP address, variable type, word. Integer digits, I set 3. Show location, I will explain to you later. This is the show color. It means when you input, what's the color. Font ID, it means when you input which font ID you use, also which font size. Cursor color, you can set black or white. Display method, you can set direct display or show this way. Keyboard location. Keyboard is in the current page or other page. And here you need to click here. Click draw box for the keyboard. Now this is the keyboard area. The show location should be same as the keyboard area. You can also set the background transparency for the keyboard area. And here you can set enabling limits. I set this is 0, this is max 500. It means that if your data are more than 500, even though you can input, but it will not be show up in the data variables. Okay. Now this is the show location. Set. Click display keyboard. Select a point to show the data. And this is the keyboard. You need to use touch control, basic touch module. Basic touch module, you need to set the key value. Here, this is the exploration. So 1, the code is this. 2, this. You can rev to this. Enter. F1. Also others, okay? So now let's try it in the display. It's 40. 40, 28. Okay. Input area. One. Now show 1. But if you click here, there is no reaction. Here, this is the input area, okay? Now, 1, 2. Enter. Remember we set the limitation for the data is from 0 to 500, right? Here, the enabling limits 0 to 500. Let's try it. Five, 0, 1. Now you can see, even though I can input, but here still 12. 5, 0. But here, you can show 500. So this is how the keyboard settings, okay? So do you have a better understanding for the different way to change data in the display directly? So bye-bye.